Ever wondered if you could be one of those people who make a living on YouTube? It's not as far-fetched as you might think. The YouTube dream is not just for the lucky few who hit the viral video jackpot or the gifted vloggers who have been perfecting their craft for years. But let's address some common misconceptions right off the bat. Starting a YouTube channel can often feel like scaling Mount Everest. You might have heard about the daunting requirements. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and what feels like endless amounts of content. These may seem like impossible hurdles for the average person to overcome. But what if I told you there's a way to bypass these intimidating obstacles? What if you could start making money from day one without the need for thousands of subscribers or hours upon hours of public watch time? And imagine if you could do this without ever needing to show your face or produce hundreds of videos. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it isn't. There are real people in our community who have achieved this. People like Katrina, a 47-year-old who never once showed her face on camera yet managed to go from zero to making $30,000 a month in just 5 to 8 weeks. And there are hundreds more who have found similar success. You might be thinking, that's great for Katrina, but how can I start a YouTube channel and make money on day one? Well, let's dive into it. This isn't about getting lucky or having some secret insider knowledge. It's about understanding the YouTube business model and learning how to use it to your advantage. So whether you're a complete beginner, an aspiring YouTuber, or someone who's tried and struggled to make their YouTube dream a reality, stick around. We're about to embark on a journey that could change your life. Welcome to the YouTube dream, let's dive into it. Here's a secret. YouTube is a business. It promotes videos that generate revenue through ads. Now let's dive a little deeper into how this works. YouTube is like a giant billboard in the digital world. It's a platform where businesses both big and small can display their advertisements. And these ads? They're the lifeblood of YouTube's revenue model. Every time an ad is viewed or clicked on a YouTube video, a small amount of money changes hands. This is how YouTube earns its keep, and it's how content creators get paid too. But for most creators, the road to earning ad revenue is long and hard. YouTube has rules. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months before you can start earning from ads. It's like a rite of passage, a mountain to climb for those dreaming of YouTube success. But what if there was a shortcut? What if you could start earning from day one, bypassing the grind to reach the monetization threshold? Well, there is a way, and it's all about leveraging YouTube's ad system to your advantage. Consider this. Rather than waiting for your videos to get noticed organically, you could run ads to gain views and subscribers. Yes, you heard it right. You can flip the script and become the advertiser. And the best part, you don't have to spend your own money. The revenue generated from product sales can cover the ad costs. Let's say you spend $1 on ads and make $3 from product sales. You're in profit. You can then reinvest your earnings into more ads, creating a snowball effect that can rapidly increase your views and subscribers. It's like a self-fueling engine of growth. By understanding this, you realize you don't need a big budget to succeed on YouTube. All you need is a smart strategy, a willingness to learn, and a dash of creativity. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of YouTube business. The key to success on YouTube is to find an audience with a problem and provide a solution. Now you may be thinking, I'm not a cinematographer or a professional speaker. But don't worry, you don't need to be. In fact, you don't even need to show your face. Let's break it down. You can create simple 3-minute videos without appearing on camera. You're probably wondering how. The answer is robots. Yes, you heard right, robots. Advanced technology allows us to generate content using artificial intelligence. This means you can have a robot voice narrating your videos, taking away the need for you to record your own voice or appear on camera. Now I know what you're thinking. I can't just upload a video and expect people to watch it, right? Well, here's the exciting part. The process doesn't stop at creating and uploading your video. The aim here is to turn your views and subscribers into revenue. The more views and subscribers you have, the more revenue you can generate. But how do you get these views and subscribers? That's where the power of advertising comes in. By running ads, you can reach a wider audience without spending a dime of your own money. How is this possible? The answer lies in a simple concept. Ad acquisition. Essentially, customers pay for the ads you run, allowing you to reach more people and increase your views and subscriber count. The beauty of this strategy is that you don't need a massive budget. You just need a problem to solve and an audience who needs that solution. With this approach, you're not just creating content, you're creating value. And as we all know, where there's value, there's revenue. Now that you have an understanding of how to generate content and views, you might be wondering, where does the money come from? Well, that's what we're going to delve into in the next segment. So stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of revenue generation on YouTube. Now that you know how to generate content and views, let's talk about where the money comes from. The platform that will turn your views and subscribers into cash is called ClickBank. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is ClickBank? Well, ClickBank is an affiliate marketing program, a platform that bridges the gap between product creators and the marketers who can sell those products to the world. The beauty of ClickBank is in its diverse range of products across various niches, from health and wellness to spirituality, from self-help to software. This diversity allows you to find a product that resonates with your audience's interests and needs. But how does ClickBank work? It's actually quite simple. You sign up for a free account, browse through the marketplace, and choose a product to promote. Each product comes with an affiliate link that is unique to you. This link is your ticket to earning commissions. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a percentage of the sale. One of the most exciting aspects of ClickBank is the potential for high commissions. Some products offer as much as 75% per sale. Let's say you're promoting a product that sells for $200, and it offers a 50% commission. That's $100 in your pocket for each sale made through your link. But it's not just about choosing any product. It's about finding a product that aligns with your audience's needs and interests. This is where your understanding of your audience comes into play. If you know your audience struggles with weight loss, for instance, you might promote a health and wellness product geared towards this issue. Once you've chosen a product, you can create content around it. This could be a review, a tutorial, or any other type of content that provides value to your audience and incorporates your affiliate link. Remember, the key is to provide solutions to your audience's problems. If your audience finds value in your content, they are more likely to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, thereby generating revenue for you. Once you understand where the revenue comes from, it's time to find your audience. Now, let's talk about how to find your audience and create compelling ads. Finding your audience is all about understanding their pain points and desires. You can't just throw a stone and hope it hits the right person. You need a targeted approach. This is where YouTube ads come in. With YouTube ads, you can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This means you can aim your ads at people who are most likely to be interested in your content or the products you're promoting. But how do you create compelling ads? A great way to start is by using proven email swipes from ClickBank. Email swipes are pre-written emails that you can use as a foundation for your ad scripts. They're designed to grab attention, stimulate interest, and compel people to take action. Imagine you're promoting a fitness product. You could use an email swipe that talks about the struggles of losing weight, the desire to look and feel better, and the solution provided by the product. You can customize this swipe into your ad script, shaping it to fit your audience and the unique selling points of the product. But creating compelling ad scripts is only half the battle. You also need to turn these scripts into engaging videos. This might sound daunting, especially if you're not comfortable in front of the camera or don't have video editing skills. But don't worry, there's a solution. You can generate a robot voice for your video. This means you don't have to worry about sounding professional or having the perfect delivery. The robot voice can deliver your script in a clear and engaging way. Plus, it adds an element of curiosity. Viewers might stick around just to hear more from this intriguing robot voice. Once you have your voice, you can pair it with relevant visuals to create a complete video. This could be stock footage, images, text overlays, or a combination of these elements. The key is to make sure everything works together to tell your story and promote your product. With the right tools, you can easily turn your ad script into a video. Creating videos might seem daunting, but with tools like Lovo and InVideo.io, it's easier than you think. So you've identified your audience, found a solution to their problem, and even figured out how to monetize your content. The next step is to create your video. But don't worry, you don't need to be a Hollywood director or even show your face on camera. With innovative tools like Lovo and InVideo.io, you can produce a professional-looking video from just text and audio. Let's first talk about Lovo. This AI-powered platform allows you to convert your text into lifelike speech. You can choose from a wide range of voices and languages, and even control the tone, speed, and pitch of the voiceover. Simply paste your script, tweak the settings to your liking, and Lovo will do the rest. The result? A high-quality voiceover that sounds almost human, without the need for a professional voice artist or fancy recording equipment. But what about the visuals? That's where InVideo.io comes into play. This online video editor is a game-changer for beginners and professionals alike. It offers a plethora of templates, stock footage, and animation options to help you create stunning videos in minutes. Just upload your Lovo-generated voiceover, choose your template, add your text, and let InVideo.io's intuitive editor do the rest. The best part? It requires zero editing skills. Creating professional videos has never been this easy. With Lovo and InVideo.io, you can focus on what matters most, delivering value to your audience and monetizing your content. No need to worry about the technicalities of video production or the cost of hiring professionals. And remember, these tools aren't just for those with technical know-how or in developed countries. They are accessible to anyone, anywhere. Even if you're a complete beginner or living in a third-world country, you can leverage these platforms to create engaging content and generate substantial income. This method has enabled people, even with no experience or in third-world countries, to make substantial incomes. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting a YouTube channel and making money from day one. We've journeyed together, from understanding that YouTube is much more than a platform for sharing videos. It's a business. We've seen how it's not about accumulating thousands of subscribers or clocking in countless hours of public watch time. Instead, it's about being smart and strategic, running ads to gain views and subscribers without having to spend your own money. We've delved into the world of finding an audience and providing a solution. It's not about broadcasting to the masses, but about addressing specific pain points and offering meaningful solutions. The beauty of it all is that you don't need to show your face or create hundreds of videos. A simple 3-minute video can work wonders. We've explored ClickBank, a platform that offers a vast range of products in various niches. This is where the money comes from. You promote these products for free and earn commissions. The earnings can quickly add up, making it possible to start earning substantial amounts right from day one. We've uncovered the power of YouTube ads and email swipes. By targeting individuals with specific needs and crafting compelling ads, you can attract an audience and boost your views and subscriber count. And finally, we've seen how tools like Lovo and InVideo.io can simplify the process of creating videos. These tools can transform text and audio into videos, enabling even complete beginners to start a YouTube channel and make money. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and apply these strategies. Start your YouTube channel. Remember, you don't have to have a big budget or be a seasoned YouTuber. You just need to find an audience with a problem and provide a solution. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and start your journey towards building a successful YouTube channel and making money from day one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content like this. See you in the next video.